Hello crafters, this is Suzanne from A Creative Muse and I'm here with my Stitched Ornament card. Now I had shown you this die stitched up but not finished on a card, so now I want to show you that I did finish the card and I am still madly in love with this little Stitch Ornament set. And here she is on an A2 card base. Just love it. So I did red floss, green floss, gold metallic floss, and I had finished up with this is a green gem from my stash, and I also used the Spellbinders gold mix gems here. That's some gold foil cardstock. Here I did a matte gold for the top. Now I was going to put this foliage, I had cut it out, but it just was not looking so great against everything that was going on here. It was starting to take away from the ornament and the background. Now, let's talk about that background. This is a hot foil plate that was sent to me by Spellbinders. Twilight Sparkle Strip. Love this foil. this little background hot foil. Yes, I wish it was a full A2 because you have to foil in segments with it. You do one half, then you go back in and you do the other half. You know, I mean, it lined up pretty good. And where it's a little bit off, yeah, I covered it. But it would have been really nice to just have one big piece and just go for it. Like if they sold this sized bigger, I'd get that one too. This is that good that I'd have both of them because love it, love it. So this one is like stars with, I want to say snowflakes, but to me, yeah, it's Christmas and twinkly, but you could take it beyond. And if you did this in black foil, it could work for your Halloween projects too. I did here a kind of a off-white because I had this background in white and I didn't want it to be white on white, although it is on a white card base. So that's where I brought it back in. And here I have red cardstock and then this awesome hot foil plate. Look at that in matte gold. So this is a matte gold hot foil roll that I put here, and then I put the ornament on top. So I think because I have gold with gold with gold, that's why when I had put the foliage, it took away from it. But I just wanted to show you guys that I did finish this card, and I did end up using this super cute. I'm not sure that I showed you guys that Spellbinders has sent me this hot foil plate to play with, but am I happy that I played with it? Oh, you bet. And you're going to see it with the dancing snowman. That video is coming soon. This thing is the gift that keeps on giving. In different colorways, it does look different. So love, 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 love. Just wish it was a little bigger. But anyway, until the next video, crafters. And if you want to try something besides the alphabet die sets to stitch on and you're ready to go one level up, this is a really good one. She's beautiful, but not too hard to stitch. And I still have that stitching video. I just know it's going to be such a long video. And I just have to sit down and do it to do the stitching tutorial for you guys. Because you know it's going to be in depth. Yes, it is. Alrighty, crafters, until the next video. Stay crafty, my friends. Oh, just love this. Bye.